Norwood is a company with long traditions. The first factory was established 20 years ago. We are well known internationally, and our products are sold in Poland, Scandinavia, and Great Britain. Each project is treated individually according to the customer's needs and other requirements. We are flexible and solution-oriented to supply everything from detached houses to large projects. The production process starts with the order confirmation. Our professional staff prepares the projects based on proven technological solutions. Automation is an important part of production. We use only carefully selected high-quality materials. We apply quality control throughout the production process. All operations are performed with high precision. Every main component has a unique reference number that corresponds to the customer's project. We place great emphasis on environmental protection. An example of this is our efficient waste management. All our products are painted in our fully automated paint department. All components are impregnated before being painted. We can supply everything in optional NCS and RAL color. We use fittings only from leading European suppliers such as Spilka, Assa and Roto. This guarantees durability for years. We offer a large selection of functional glass options to meet thermal, solar, safety, acoustics and fire performance requirements. Finished windows and doors are placed in stock, well wrapped, ready to ship.